Actors, what's it like doing stage kisses/intimacy scenes? Any embarrassing boner stories? 15-year-old me was roped into being Romeo in the school drama class production of Romeo and Juliet. The start of one scene had Juliet and I wake up in bed together, slightly suggestive but no big deal, at least not until one of my mates in the crowd yelled "stick it in her." I was Claudius in a high school production of Hamlet and we were rehearsing the introduction of Gertrude where she kisses her husband. The girl and I were okay friends and we'd kissed on stage before so it wasn't a huge deal, except one day we got stuck in a loop where one guy sucked at remembering his lines so we did it like 20 times and on the third run she just started shoving her tongue down my throat every take. On take 7 I had no idea what to do, by take 20 I was confused and horny and had no clue what to do with that information. Not me but a friend of mine. He was supposed to do a kiss during this one scene, except just before their lips touched, the girl cries out "I had peanut butter today." Thank God she said something because he was deathly allergic. I was in a play where I was portraying a quadriplegic. Consequently, I couldn't use my arms, hands, or legs for much of anything. I was in a wheelchair and wearing track pants. In one scene, the lead actress sat on my lap and we kissed.